All right, welcome back to Worldwide Exchange. Turning to Washington now, where the wheels, they may be starting to move again on a bill to regulate and establish guardrails for the crypto market. Our Emily Wilkins joins us now with much more on this story. Emily, good morning.
Good morning, Frank. Well, yeah, there is some new hope that a major crypto bill could see its first votes in the Senate next month after bipartisan talks around the measure have restarted. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong was up on the Hill yesterday meeting with senators about the legislation. It's a top priority for the crypto industry, would define when crypto would be a commodity versus a security. And Armstrong told me that while some issues do remain, he is seeing progress.
Market structure legislation for crypto has made really good progress. I think we're 90% of the way there. The Senate Banking Committee is also working on their next draft, which we're told is going to get to a markup in December. So seems like good progress from the meetings that I've had today.
Movement on the bill stalled the other month over a leaked proposal from Democrats that would have expanded regulations of DeFi. Now, Armstrong said that many Democrats he has spoken with have now disavowed that draft, said there are discussions of finding maybe some sort of middle ground, potentially something that would allow DeFi participants to voluntarily verify a customer's identity.
In certain markets, people want to know who their counterparty is. Maybe they only want to trade with other accredited investors or institutions in the United States, for instance. And so I could imagine there being use cases that some market participants want to engage in that. But I actually think the decentralized, permissionless, open to the whole world is kind of more exciting and more higher potential impact. And so I want to make sure that that core piece gets preserved.
Discussions are still ongoing, but timing to pass the bill is now down to the wire because even if these Senate committees vote next month, the entire Senate and the House are going to need to vote as well before those midterm races get underway next year. Frank?
So, Emily, what are some of the other holdups in this bill?
So you mentioned, of course, the DeFi one. That's a piece of it. The other interesting battle that we've seen is between crypto and the banks, because as of right now, a lot of crypto exchanges can offer rewards that aren't technically interest but look like interest. And banks are saying they want a ban on that. They want the banks to be the only ones who are really able to offer interest. Crypto is saying that they should be able to level the playing field and compete as well. So that's another thing that lawmakers are going to have to figure out a path forward on.